You know, some plant eat insects. Such plant those eat insects are known as insectivorous plants. They capture the insect and digest the insects. Pitcher plant is the example of insectivorous plant. How the plant eat insect. In pitcher plant, the leaf is modified to form a pitcher-like structure. The bright color of the pitcher make it very attractive to the insects. Inside the pitcher there are several hair-like structures. These hair-like structures direct the insect that is trapped by the pitcher plant downward. In downward there are some fluids which digest the insect. When an insect sit on the pitcher of the plant, the lid closes and the insect get trapped inside the pitcher. The insect is then digested by the enzymes secreted by the cells of the plant. Such plants are known as insectivorous plants. What is the cause of eating of insect by plants? Some plant eat insect. Why the plant eat insects? The soil of marshy land is deficient in nitrogen. Plants living in marshy areas do not get enough nitrogen from the soil for their synthesis of protein and fats for their better growth. Their nitrogen need is fulfilled by soaking the juice of insects. Venus flytrap, Utricularia, Drosera, and Rafflesia are the other example of insectivorous plant. There are some frequently asked questions about the related topic. What is an insectivorous plant? A plant which fulfill its nitrogenous need by eating insect is called an insectivorous plant. Given an example of insectivorous plant, already you know pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, bladderwort, Drosera, Rafflesia are the some example of insectivorous plant. Why does a plant eat insects? You already know. Plants living in marshy area do not get enough nitrogen from the soil to synthesize protein and fats. To fulfill their nitrogenous need, they need to eat insects. Now write a brief note on pitcher plant. In a pitcher plant, the leaf is modified into a pitcher-like structure. The pitcher is complete with a lid. The inside of a pitcher is full of hair-like structure. These hair-like structure trap the insect and may allow the insect to fall in it downward direction. Where are some enzymes are present in the downward which digest the insect and fulfill the need of nitrogen. Thank you.